Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your very own Bon plush from the popular game. First, let's gather all the necessary materials. You'll need soft blue, white, and red fleece fabric for Bon's body, along with some black and pink embroidery floss for the facial details. Don't forget safety eyes, a good quality polyester fiber fill for stuffing, and your basic sewing tools like scissors, needles, and thread. A reliable pattern is also key to getting that perfect bon shape. Let's get started. Now that you have your materials, it's time to start constructing Bon's body. Begin by carefully cutting out all the pattern pieces from your blue, white, and red fleece. Next, sew the main body sections together, remembering to leave a small opening, perhaps 2 inches wide, for later stuffing. Securely attach the arm and leg pieces, ensuring all your seams are strong and neat. This foundational step is crucial for a well-shaped and durable plush. With the body assembled, let's bring Bon to life with facial features. Use black and pink embroidery floss to stitch on the eyebrows and mouth, giving him his signature expression. Carefully attach the safety eyes, ensuring they are firmly secured. Now it's time for the fun part, stuffing. Fill the plush firmly with polyester fiber fill, distributing it evenly throughout the head, body, and limbs to achieve Bon's recognizable rounded shape. Aim for a consistent, soft feel. You're almost done. Once Bon is fully stuffed, carefully hand-stitch the opening closed using a ladder stitch for an invisible seam. This creates a clean, professional finish. Next, add any final small details, like a tiny red bow tie, to complete his iconic look. Take a moment to check all your seams and ensure every detail is secure and polished. Congratulations! Your very own handmade Bon plush is now complete and ready to be a delightful companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.